Assalamu alaikum and a very, very good morning to all of you. All my little ones, how are you today? Good. That's great. Fantastic. I am also feeling very good because the winter is so good. It's rainy day today. It's raining outside. So it's so lovely. How are you feeling? Are you feeling cold? Yes, we're all feeling a little cold. So what you're going to do, just start rubbing your hands to keep yourself cool. Give yourself a little energy, right? Heat gives us energy. When you're feeling cold, we're like this, oh my God, we're feeling cold. And we rub our hands and we take heat from the heater or the blower and we feel comfortable. Okay, everybody, rub your hands, rub your hands, rub your hands, right? Good. Now, how are you feeling? Not even a little active, right? Not very much active. We need to be a little more active, right? Okay, so what we are going to do for that? Dance? No, we're not going to dance right now. What we're going to do is we're going to do a little of exercise, and that'll be a little jumping to make ourselves active early in the morning, right? To open up our nerves and minds and open up our eyes, right? Okay, that's lovely. Fantastic. So everybody get up. Very good. Okay. Now, all of you, I will count and you're going to jump, right? Okay, that is great. Everybody ready? Yes. Okay, fantastic. Come on, let's start. One, two, three, four, and five. Yay, fantastic. Okay, okay, stop. Yes, stop. And now sit down. Very good. You are very nice kids, right? You have to understand and follow instructions. Remember? Remember the instructions? To open up your mic so you can listen to the teacher clearly, right? You have to open up your cameras so the teacher can see you, right? That's great. And you have to raise up your hand before you want to say something. Very good. Excellent. Okay, so again, I'm going to tell you my name. My name is Miss Sadia, and I'm your class teacher. Do you remember that? That's good. Very good. That's very nice. Okay, and this is a numeracy class, right? Right? Good. Okay, this is a numeracy class. And remember, last time we learned about shapes. Yes, very right. We shared our toys, we showed our toys, right? Remember? Yes, you showed your blocks and balls and toys, right? Yes. So, what we're going to do is today we are going to learn a little new shapes. But before going on to the new shapes, we are going to revise what we have learned before, right? Okay, so we started with the shape which has no corners, right? It is a one stroke shape like this. And what is that? Yes, that is a circle. And circle is round. It has no corners, right? Yes, this is a circle. What's this? A circle. Excellent. Right? Then there was another shape that was also kind of round, but that was not round. Do you remember that shape? Remember? Okay, I'll show you. And that was oval. What was that? Oval. If you press a little of this circle, if you press circle a little, that can become oval. Yes. So this is a circle and that's an oval. Very good. Then there was a shape which has got three sides. Three equal sides. And what was that? Do you remember? Anybody raise your hand if you remember? What was that? Yes, Ali? Yes, excellent. That was a triangle. What was that? A triangle. Three sides of the shape, and that is a triangle. Very nice, you remember. Okay, now there was something which has got four sides and all four sides are equal. What was that? Yes, Ramsha? That was a, yes, that was a square. What was that? A square. A square has four sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they're all equal. They are all equal sides. That's great. And this is a square. Yes, that's a square. That's so great. Now, there was another shape. Oh, sorry. There was another shape that was that is also four sides, but not all four sides are equal. And what is that? What is the name of that shape? Which has four sides, but not all four sides are equal. Anybody? No problem. I am going to tell you. That is a triangle. What is that? A triangle. It has got four sides, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But can you see that? These two sides are equal, right? And these two sides are equal, right? Yes, this is a square. Excellent, excellent. That is so great. So once again, we all together are going to take the name of the shapes and then, oh yes, I'm going to show you some more shapes as well. There is a shape which has got 5 sides. Do you know about that? Which shape has 5 equal sides? That's a pentagon. You can even hold it like this, right? And you can hold it like this as well, right? This is a pentagon. What is it? A pentagon. Why? Pentagon, because it has got 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 sides. And now, what if the shape has 6 sides? What do we call it? A 6-sided shape is called a hexagon. What is it called? A hexagon. Now count the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? This is a hexagon. Very good. And there is another shape which has also got 4 sides. They're not equal. They're equal, but they go along. They go parallel. And that is called a parallelogram. This is called the parallelogram. I'm just telling you, just to add a new word in your vocabulary. So you can just, you don't, if you remember it, that's okay. If not, that's even okay, right? So this is a parallelogram. These two lines are parallel to each other, and these two lines are parallel to each other, right? That's why this is called the parallelogram. Okay, so we're going to revise that once again. All the simple shapes. What is this? A circle. Yes. Then we have got oval. Oval. Yes, oval shape. Then we have got a triangle. Triangle. Who likes triangles? Almost everybody, right? Okay, that's great. What do we like? What do we eat that looks like a triangle like this? What do we eat? Something which has got a slice like this? A pizza slice, yes. And what is that? What else is like a triangle? Who can tell me? A samosa. Samosa is also like a triangle, right? So you're going to observe the shapes. Which shapes look like which, right? Okay. Now you're going to compare the objects with the shapes. Then we have got a square, right? And we have got a rectangle. We have got a rectangle. That is great. Fantastic. That's so great. And today we are going to learn about 3D shapes. Now, what is the difference in a 2D and a 3D shape? Right? Now, the 2D shape is flat. It is flat, right? A 2D shape is flat. But if we look at the 3D shape of a circle, what it will be? Okay, I will show you. This circle, the 3D shape of the circle is sphere. Now, the 2D shapes are flat and the 3D shapes are fat because they eat so much, right? They eat healthy food and they become healthy and fat, right? Yes, you don't become fat eating healthy food. So you become healthy when you eat healthy food, right? Okay, so the 2D shapes are flat and the 3D shapes are fat. Got it? Now you're going to remember that. So we are going to learn about 3D shapes. Now the first, what you're going to learn about? Sphere. Now this is a circle, right? Can you see the circle? But this is a 3D circle. So this is called a sphere, right? Because this is fat, right? This is not like a flat circle. This is a fat ball, right? This is a sphere. Sphere is a 3D shape, right? We can roll it. What else is like a sphere? Do you know that? Yes. Your football is like a sphere. What else is like a sphere? Our world, Earth is like, it's a sphere, right? So you're going to observe things which you have at home, which is similar to this, maybe a little bigger or maybe a little smaller. That does not matter, right? It can be a big sphere, it can be a small sphere, right? Okay, that is great. So this was a 3D shape. Very good. Now we have another 3D shape. You see, we had a circle. Oh, sorry, we had a square, right? This is flat. This is a flat shape. And now we have got the 3D of a square. See, it is also it looks like a square. Yes, but this is not called a square because this is a fat shape, right? This is fat. Now, what do you call it? It's a square, but it has 3 dimensions, right? Now, this is called a cube. What is this called? Yes, this is called a cube. Do you have something like this at home? Yeah, many boxes could be like this at home. So this is a cube. And there is something else in your freezers, which we use to put into our beverages or juices to make them cool. What is that? That is in our deep freezers, in our refrigerators, freezers. Ice cube. Do you know about ice cube? Yes, it is called a cube. Why? Because it is like a square box, right? That's why this is called a cube. This is a cube, right? A fat shape, that is a 3D shape, right? This is a cube. That is so good. Okay. And there is another shape which is a little similar to that. We learn about square. So what is, oh, sorry, rectangle. This is a rectangle. So this is a rectangular prism. This is a rectangular prism. We call it a rectangular prism. So this is also a 3D shape, right? Because this is fat. This is not flat. Very good, right? So how many of you can tell me that where you can see something like this? A box of cookies? Yes, a box of cookies. Very good. And maybe a tissue box is also, if whatever tissue box is at your home of a rectangular shape, that is a rectangular prism, right? Any other box, even a much bigger than this or much fatter than this, that will also be a rectangular prism. Rectangular prism. Very good. Excellent. Now, there is something very exciting. That is a shape which we use. I'm not going to tell you that. That is very interesting. And what is that? That is a cone. Yes. What does it look like? It looks like a cone. Yes. And we can eat, yes, an ice cream cone. That is also a cone. That's so lovely. That's so good. Yes. Who likes ice cream? And who likes cone ice cream? Yes. That's so lovely. And it's very easy to eat. You're holding the cone and you're eating the ice cream. And at the end, you eat that biscuit. Yum, yum, yum. Oh my God, I'm missing my lovely ice cream, right? Okay, this is the cone shape, right? Which you can even observe at in your home, somewhere else outside. So you can observe where you can see the cones. Yes, you can see the cones somewhere, sometime on the roads as well. Have you seen those cones? They're orange in color. Yes, they're also cones. And then we have cones, something like this. You see, we can put them on our head. This becomes a cap. The birthday caps we use in our birthday parties, they're also cones, right? They may be small, they can even maybe big like this. Can you see? Wow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. See, remember? We put our party hats. The shape is also like a cone. Yes, that's lovely. So you are going to look all around and you're going to observe what else looks like a cone, right? Okay, that is great. And now there is a last shape. I mean, like the 3D shape, which we're going to discuss right now. And that is what is this? What do we call it? This is a cylinder. What is it? It's a cylinder. Now, this is the shape which you can see many times. You can even use, right? So where you can see this. What else is like a cylinder? Maybe a little small up till this. Yes, this is a Pringle box. Oh, you got it. Very good. Yes, that's a Pringle box which I covered. What else? We drink in a cylinder. Yes, that's great. Pepsi and 7 Up in a can. That is also a cylinder. Okay, that's so great. This is a cylinder. And have you observed, do you have candles at home? Yes, most of the candles are like cylinders. Yeah, that is so great. And even the batteries you use. Yes. What is the shape of the battery? That's a small cylinder, right? This is round and round, and there's a circle here, and this is round, 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 round. Right? This is like this from here, and it's round. So this is a big, what? Yes, it's a big cylinder, and this is a small cylinder. So cylinders are also everywhere we can see. Wow, that's so lovely. That's so great. Okay, so I am going to show you a little video of the 3D shapes. Excellent. I hope you're not getting bored. Okay, you're enjoying it? Okay, that's lovely. So I am going to show you a video of shapes. That is great. So we are going to start. Oops. Yes.
Today's topic, shapes, 3D shapes.
3D shapes, tube, cylinder, hole, rectangular prism, sphere, sphere, hexagon, torus, square-based pyramid,
That is also like a cone.
oval. Yeah, those are 3D shapes.
That's great. Okay, see? We have seen so many 3D shapes. I'll show you a little of a difference of a sphere and an oval. See, they're almost like the same, but they're a little different. If we squeeze the sphere a little, that will become an oval, yes. And if we stretch the oval a little, that will become sphere. That's a little difference in sphere and oval, right? But don't try it at home, don't try to stretch the egg because you won't be able to do that, right? Okay, that's so great. So what we are going to do is we are going to revise a little, right? And I will show you a picture of what we have learned up till now, okay? So this is it. Can you see this? Okay, so see, I have four corners, I have four sides. All of my sides are at the same length. So who am I? Yes, that's a square. Very good. Then I have four corners, I have four sides, I have two long sides and two short sides. So who am I? Wow, this looks like the same. See on the screen? Yeah, wow. That's great. Good. Okay. So now another one. So we will see another picture. Okay. So I'll show you another picture. And that is, yes. So can you see this? Okay. What does this say? This says I have three corners and I have three sides. Who am I? Oh, wow. That's also green. Our triangle is also green. That's just a coincidence. Wow, that's so lovely. I didn't know that before. Okay, that's lovely. That's a triangle. And now look at this lovely yellow circle. Yes, this one is also yellow and that is also yellow. So I have one curved sides and no corners. I have one curved side with no corners. So this is a I am a circle, right? Okay, that's great. We like it. Okay, now what else? We are going to show, let me, okay. So in another picture I'm going to show you. Yes. Now look at this. Right? I have five corners and I have five sides. And who am I? Yeah, that's a pentagon. That is so great. A pentagon has five sides and five corners. Okay, that's so great. And then what is this? It has also eight. Oh, it has eight corners and eight sides. And what is that? Yes, that's an octagon. Wow, octagon. So I'm just sharing with you. If you feel it a little difficult, we will revise it later on, right? So we're just right now looking at the new shapes, right? I hope you're enjoying that. Are you? Are they colorful? Do you like all the shapes? Oh, wow. That's so great. Okay, you like all the shapes. That's so lovely. Okay, so this was our today's topic, and that was that we revised the 2D shapes and then we introduced the 3D shapes. And now, what is the difference in a 2D shape and a 3D shape? Who is going to tell me? A 2D shape is flat. Yes, a 2D shape is flat, but the 3D shape is flat. Yes, you remember that. Excellent. The 2D shape is flat and the 3D shape is fat. Yes, all of you, show me. Excellent. Yes, that's lovely. That was so great. Excellent. So once again, we are going to revise the 3D shapes, the names of the 3D shapes. So we remember that. Okay. Now everybody listen carefully because we're just revising them and I'll ask you in your next class, right? The first shape is sphere. What is this? Sphere. And you're going to observe all the spheres in your house, outside, anywhere you're going, right? You're going to observe How many spheres have you seen and observed, right? This is a sphere. Okay, lovely. Okay, that's great. This is very easy to observe. You all have that at home. Yeah, that's an oval, right? So mostly we can see that in our fridge. And maybe you must have any decoration piece, something like this, maybe, right? Okay, so this is an oval, a little different than the sphere, a little different than the sphere. That's great. Okay, then we have a very cute little, where is it? Yeah, it is here. A very cute little box. And this is called a cube. What is it called? A cube, right? Remember? You're going to remember that? Is it easy? Okay, that's a cube, right? That's great. Then we have this cute little cone, right? Yum, yum. Cone, right? This is a cone. That's great. Then we have a rectangular prism, which you can see very easily. You can observe all around your home, right? On your dining table as well, maybe when you're presenting somebody in a box, right? So this is a rectangular prism, right? Okay, that's so lovely. And then we have a cylinder. Yes, this is called a cylinder. Cylinder. It is round from here as well, and it is round from here as well, right? It is round and round and round. This is a cylinder. Very good. Cylinder. Excellent. So you are all very intelligent. And yes, I forgot my cone. Yes, you see? I can just fix it up here. Like this is a small one, so that can easily fix it up, right? So you can even make your own birthday caps. When is your birthday? Can you make your own birthday caps like this? Yeah, okay. I'm going to help you to make a birthday cap, right? That's very easy to make. And that is a shape of cone. That's great. Okay, everybody. Now this is time to little inhaling and exhaling, right? To take oxygen. Great. Excellent. Okay. Now keep sitting, keep sitting, keep sitting. Everybody, that's great. Now, just sit, relax. Put your hands on your knees. Very good. And relax yourself. Right. Okay. Everybody relaxed? Good. Okay. Now we are going to inhale and then exhale from the mouth. Inhale from the nose, exhale from the mouth. Right? Ready? Calm down. Cool down. Sit, relax. Good. If you want to close your eyes, you can close your eyes. If you want to open your eyes, you can do that as well, right? Whatever you're comfortable with, right? Okay, now let's start. Yes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Keep it. Exhale. Right? Very good. Very good. That's great. You can even just hold your breath for just 5 seconds, not more than that, right? Not more than that. Okay? And even for 3 seconds, not even more than that because you're very strong. Okay? So, how was that? Did you enjoy that? Yes, I also enjoyed, right? Learning all about the flat shapes and the fat shapes, right? Okay, lovely. That's great. So I'm going to see you in the next class very soon. Till then, I'm going to say goodbye. Stay safe, be safe. Okay, goodbye and take care.